Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 300 times and it is found that two tails appeared 150 times, one tail appeared 90 times and no tails appeared 60 times. If two coins are tossed at random, then what is the probability of getting one tail? We have to find out. So what is given is the total number of times the coin tossed. So the total number of times the coin was tossed is 300 times, and out of this two tails appeared, so that number was 150 times, and one tail appeared, that number was 90 times, and last case was that no tail appeared. So these three possible cases were there. So no tail appeared occurred 60 times. Now we have to find the probability of getting one tail. So probability is calculated by favorable cases divided by the total number of cases, and total number of cases here is total number of times the coins was tossed. So favorable case here is the number of times of getting one tail. So one tail is appearing, we can see 90 times. So that is 90 divided by total number of times coin tossed is 300. So 90 by 300 will give 0.3. So 0.3 is the required probability, which is option C. Hence we can say that the answer is option C.